In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Light Fluid Theme. It has to be from Mad Scientist. When your app is ready, launch it, hit consent and mute the music by tapping at the bottom left corner. Then to access wallpaper settings, use this gear at the top left one and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then tap on Set as Live Wallpaper, select Yes, click on Set Wallpaper and decide where by tapping on one of those options. As you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!